Hello everyone, I am a cat lover, and also a person who specializes in supporting and rescuing homeless cats. Stray cats that have been abandoned, have had accidents, or are in dangerous situations. For many years, my life has been closely linked to the poor cats wandering the streets, with no place to go. Every day, I receive dozens of messages and calls from people in the city, reporting cats or dogs in danger. Whether it is sunny or stormy, whether it is daytime or midnight, as soon as I receive news that a cat needs to be rescued, I pack my bags and set out to find and rescue them. Many people ask me, is it tiring to go rescue cats like that every day? I just smile and answer, of course it is, but as long as I see them safe and healthy, I feel happy. There are days when I have just rescued a cat at one end of the city and then receive a report from another end and continue on my way. There are days when it is pouring rain. My clothes are soaked. I still wade through dark alleys and small lanes just to find a kitten huddled under a cold porch. There are late nights when I am sleeping and receive a report of an injured cat on the side of the road. I quickly put on a raincoat, grab a first aid kit, and drive to the Kittens. To me, each cat is a precious life, worthy of love. Every time I arrived, I tried to approach the children gently, but most of them were very scared, trembling, their eyes wide open in confusion. Many were injured, many had been starved for days, their bodies were skinny, their fur was messy and dirty. Looking at those pleading eyes, I couldn't hold back my tears. No matter how tired I was, whether I was wet, cold, or dusty, just seeing the children, all the tiredness disappeared. The only thing left was a single wish: to bring the children home, take care of them until they were healthy, and find a real home. Approaching the Kittens is never easy. Some are hidden in small crevices, some are crawling into sewers, some are hiding under cars, in vacant lots, or huddled on abandoned roofs. I have to use every means to coax them, talk softly to them to make them less afraid, use cat food to lure them closer, patiently wait for hours for them to come out of hiding. But not all kittens are easy to approach. Many are so scared and hurt that they find it difficult to trust strangers. Sometimes I have to crawl into narrow, dirty places to get them out, even though they are dirty and scratched all over. Every time I save a kitten, I can't help but wonder, who abandoned these little creatures in the middle of the cold street? Where are their mothers? Why did they leave them alone in such a dangerous place? How long have they been hungry, cold, and beaten by life? What do you think? In your opinion, why do these innocent cats have to endure such heartbreaking things? Who abandoned them? And what can we do to prevent such heartbreaking stories from happening again? I really hope to receive sharing and sympathy from everyone so that we can spread messages of love to the community. Through each journey, I realized that loving cats is not a temporary thing. Loving cats is a long journey full of responsibility. It is when you dare to leave work, forget your own joys, to run to the kittens when you receive the news. It is when you accept hardship and hurt in exchange for the smiles and safe eyes of the innocent kittens. I want to ask you, do you want to spread love to stray cats with me? What do you think our community should do to protect homeless cats? Are you willing to open your heart, give a little love to welcome a cat in need? Let's speak up and act for the weak cats who need us. I sincerely thank everyone who's always supported, followed, and accompanied me on my journey to save stray cats. You are a great source of encouragement for me to continue on this journey. If you want to follow more stories, other cat rescue journeys, or accompany me in helping homeless cats, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so we can spread love together. Let's work together to create a better world for the little creatures who need us.